Hi,
Hi.
everyone. Hi, good morning. I'm coming to you live from Winnipeg, Manitoba. It's 10:01 a.m. here. I'm Bianca. I'm the half of Chris and Bianca Quintana, who owns this page. And we are husband and wife. We are working immigrant parents, and we are running this business since 2022. So we have been in the online space as online business mentors for almost 4 years now. And today we are here with our business partners, Amy and Teresa, and we're going to interview a powerhouse couple that's running this business as well. So I'm going to let Ames and Teresa introduce themselves before we introduce our special guest for today. Okay.
Okay. Hello, everyone. This is Amy. I'm a wife. I work casual in a senior home, and I'm also a digital business owner and mentor. I'm doing this for a year now, and this is my side hustle as of now. And I'm living here in Alberta, Canada.
All right. And
Amina?
yeah, yeah, Sis Teresa.
Okay. Hi, I'm Teresa Correa, and I'm here and live in Winnipeg, Manitoba. And I'm a production worker, married, and I've been here in business 2 years ago or 3 years ago. And I'm proud to be a business owner.
All right. And with that, we're going to be introducing our special guests. We're going to give them to you live. They're coming live from Canada as well. Okay. There they are.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Hello.
Ah. Hello, everyone. My name is Mina, and this is my husband, Daryl. So we own this page, Daryl and Mina. .com. So we are here from Calgary, Alberta, Canada, and right now it's 9 o'clock in the morning. I think you're ahead an hour, right? Yeah,
Correct.
you're
Yes.
ahead an hour in Manitoba. So yeah. So
Yeah, good morning,
I'll
everybody.
let
In
you
case you're hopping in live or you're watching this in a replay, it might be Saturday. It's really Saturday, right?
It is
It's really
Saturday.
Saturday, and then
Yes.
you're seeing us live, so you might be curious what we're gonna be sharing to you, right?
Yeah.
So
Awesome.
stay tuned, guys.
Yeah.
Awesome. So we are interviewing this powerhouse couple because we admire their tenacity, their resilience, and the fact that they're doing this as a couple, right? And we're gonna show you that lahat kami dito, we're not tech savvy. Lahat kami dito, most probably we started as shy, introvert people, and because of the online business, we did not grow. We did not just grow financially, we grow our skills and our personality as well. And so with that, we prepared questions for our powerhouse couple guests. And we're going to start with Teresa to ask you our first
Yeah.
question for you.
Hi, hello, Mina and Darrell. Thank you. Thank you for the sa invitation. So, ito yung question ko sa inyo. Where were
Yeah.
you before you start your on this digital business?
You have to answer? Okay.
Where were you
Yeah, I
before?
will start first. Thank you again for inviting us. So it's our pleasure. We would love to share our stories and not just for everyone who's listening. So I came here in Canada 2009 as a live-in caregiver. So and then Daryl, I think he followed after 4 years of waiting for my papers. So while waiting for that time, I was working multiple jobs, 3 to 4 jobs. So I have a work in a because I was working in a retirement home for 12 hours, and I have another job 4 hours in a home care, and I have a cleaning job. And every day, if I'm having a days off, I have another part-time job in another
She's
retirement. So I
workaholic.
work 7 hours, 7 days straight, or sometimes 8 days straight. So
Hindi
that's
ka
how
rin Corazza
workaholic.
no?
Yeah, that's how workaholic I am. Because we all have,
Yeah.
that's the reason we go abroad. Because we all have our
Mm,
dreams, right? We have want
yeah,
a dream house, we want a dream
Yeah.
car, we want a dream life for our family. So
yeah.
that's why we're juggling multiple jobs, no? So that's the time. So and to the point na parang nag-decide na ako na after 16 years na I need to look for another options, no? Kasi hindi naman tayo bumabata na. So,
Yeah.
iba na, right?
Yeah, right. So, I just want to mag-share lang ako sa inyo ng konting journey ko rin. So, I followed her like after 5 years, I think, no?
4 years.
4 years. So, nakapag-try na rin kami ng Europe noon, pero nung when I came to like my first impression about being an immigrant in a different country is I noticed that we are tied up with work, and then one thing also is we don't see each other. That's the pain of
Yeah.
you're busy with something na it's not gonna end, di ba? Wala namang katapusan yung pagiging busy natin. Tapos parang na-compartmentalize na tayo doon sa ano na yun, sa paradigm na yun. Tapos hindi na tayo makapag-decide ng iba. That's why naghanap kami talaga ng option. So before that, we are a workaholic. My wife, especially my wife, she takes 2 to 3 jobs, and ako naman nasubukan ko namin. I tried also two jobs, and it's not easy. It's not easy. And then that question just popped out one day into our mind that what is this for? We're working hard, right? If we were not retiring early, or if we're not enjoying life early, right? So that's why I'm thankful I'm thankful for that realization. Yeah, that's it.
True.
Awesome. Thank you for sharing. Ngayon lang ako nakita ng naka-4 jobs pa. Tapos mag-asawa, 3 jobs, 2
Oo.
jobs. So, paano kayo nagkikita sa isang araw, right? Parang wala nang time for yourself, wala pang time for each other.
Yeah,
Totoo
I
talaga yan.
agree.
There was
May
even
follow-up
one
question
time.
ako. Darrell and Mina, may follow-up question ako. Because 'di ba may mga may questions sa online natin na may trabaho sila 8 hours or 9 hours a day, ganyan. Tapos minsan hindi sila nakikita, like you guys, hindi nakikita because of the trabaho and then online business. How do you manage your time para yung pagkikita pa yung dalawa? Kasi yung mga iba kaya hindi sila nag-i-start their time management, parang hindi nila maiano yung time management nila bawat isa, yung sa family and then sa work and then that's sa digital business. So guys, how do you manage that?
Oh, that's a beautiful question.
Yeah.
I think that's all the dilemma of being immigrant in in a new country. Kasi you're gonna get your timing. But
Yeah.
I'm glad we found this system, no? So we always say people, I don't have time for that.
Yeah,
It's not a matter of you don't have time, because all of us we are given by our Almighty 24 hours a day. One day I just realized, making that piece of money out of that 8 hours. Minsan yung iba, some people, they do 12 hours, right? And then when you look at your paycheck, oh my God, 8 hours is the actual hour that you're going to spend in a job, diba? And then at the back of that one, nandun pa yung preparation mo, diba? Yung maglalagay ka pa ng makeup. Diba? Maliligo ka pa. So, it's not 8 hours na na-spend mo dun sa day na yun. Diba? More than 10. And then, bakit hindi natin makikita yung realization na yan na na ito lang portion ng money natin. So, we are trading that much of money, and then, ayun lang na makikita niya. Kaya, na-develop namin yung ima-manage talaga yung time. Kasi meron at meron talaga. Some people just spend it in scrolling. Some people just spend it in watching TV or But we cannot blame them because maybe they are so tired, maybe they don't see the option, di ba? So kaya nung natagpuan natin tong program na to sa online, doon talaga na-appreciate namin na every minute, every hour counted pala, di ba?
Mhm.
Kasi pag hindi natin ginawa, lagi tayong bibilhin dun sa mga namumuhunan na mga negosyante. Bibilhin nila yung oras nila
Tama.
para i-build nila yung dreams nila.
Mhm.
Ayun talaga yung pinaglalaban ko araw-araw na, bibilhin na naman yung oras ko.
Mhm.
Di ba? I-spend ko naman trading time. Whereas, pag sa community natin, pag nagtulungan tayo, nakakabuo tayo ng very productive yung time natin.
Yeah,
Di ba?
exactly.
Anong impression mo din sa time?
It's very true kasi to be honest, when I started this business, I quit my extra jobs, no? Because I've been in that road before, working, juggling multiple jobs, always chasing, always burnout, always stressed. So I've tried that one, thinking na yung backup plan ko is maghahanap ng other jobs. That it will, kaya nga tayo naghanap ng other jobs, it's because we wanna retire early, we wanna save, yung makakaipon, pero hindi pala. So I made a decision over 2 years ago na I have to quit these other extra jobs to give time to this business. Okay? Because
Exactly.
I've seen how the people was able to quit their jobs, how the people was able to invest, to bring, everything, no? Nakikita ko dito. So why not, no? That's why I decided, and it's just a matter of being accountable to yourselves, accountable to your time. Kung ano yung priority mo, okay? So for us, being still in the work industry, in the healthcare industry, we still have our full-time job. Pagdating namin sa bahay, okay, may time kami na magluluto, ganun, kain lahat-lahat, and then we still have to allocate 1 to 2 hours in our business. Okay? So we've sacrificed just when we started, I remember when we started this business, inubos namin lahat yung oras namin dito sa business because we want, that business to
learn
take
quickly.
off, no? To make this business work so hard kasi even just a short period of time, pero yung benefits, yung long term na makikita mo is more
And you
than
don't
that.
need to do it like every day,
Yeah,
right?
you don't
Once
need
you
to
set
do it.
up everything, ayun na, di ba?
Yun ang kagandahan dito.
Ayun yung beauty ng automation.
Yeah, so it's
Okay.
very
Okay. Oh, that's
It's so powerful.
Kasi yung business natin doable, di ba?
Yeah.
Oo, very doable.
Pwede natin gawin kahit saan, kahit anong oras kasi basta't may wifi ka, di ba, pwede mong gawin anytime,
Yeah.
anywhere.
Okay, yeah.
Kaya yun ang kagandahan.
Yeah. So ito talaga yung business na nagfi-fit sa mga schedule natin, no? Kasi although we would like to have a business, traditional or any kind of business, but come to think of it, no? Hindi pwede kasi being a traditional business for me, coming from not being a business-minded person, I grew up in yung pagiging empleyado lang. But now I realize, no, na talagang yung business talaga yung magpupush. But I wanted to look for a business talagang ako yung magmaman, no, na completely liberating ba na hindi ako matatied up sa isang location.
Yeah.
And that's why we started this business because we found out yung flexibility, tapos yung hindi mo i-google lahat yung oras mo. So whether nasa Pilipinas kami or nagbibiyahe kami saan or maski sa work kami, pinakagandahan.
And I like what you said, Daryl, yung binibili yung oras mo. And once
Yeah.
they're buying your time has a cap, right?
Yeah.
So kung ito ka lang per hour sa kanila, ito ka lang per hour. Unless meron kang evaluation every year and you get an increase. Pero how much lang yun? Mga 3 to 4% max a year, and then that's it. Unlike in our business, talagang mako-compensate yung effort time na in-invest mo sa business, right? So walang cap yung ceiling. So thank you for that. It's very powerful. Ang dami namin nakukuha. And I anticipated this one question would take like 5-10 minutes to answer, but still nag-prepare kami ng maraming questions just in case, right? So for our second question, Ames, whenever
okay.
Yeah.
So the questions from me is what you push Daryl and Mina to take the leap and join the online business even though you were skeptical?
Were you skeptical even?
Oh yeah. Oh my God. That's a great question, guys. In case you're still tuning in, guys, no. Bira mo makikita sa yung sa couple na yung husband ang mas interesado kasi 'di ba? So
Just kami na lang.
I know, right? So for me kasi speaking of others people's shoes, no, di ba? Kasi nandun kasi yung hirap na naman eh, no. Kasi ang pag iniisip kasi natin pag business, magbebenta, 'di ba? Mayroong
Tama.
product, 'di ba? Kaya na ano, maraming fears and doubts at the back of the mind of a person. Bakit hindi niya ginagawa yung ano, isang bagay, 'di ba? So, ang ano ko diyon, ang take ko doon, kaya I'm leaning more on the business because ano, napagdesisyonan ko, pinus ko talaga siya na ito, gawin na natin to kasi mukhang ano mukhang maiiwan na tayo ng ano ng kaibigan natin, hindi na nagtatrabaho. Di ba? So, yeah. Nandito naman yung support ng community, ng program. So that's why napakaganda talaga itong program natin. At hindi ka talaga pababayaan. Kasi pag once nga nag-start ka dito, tututukan ka talaga at saka mag-grow ka talaga. Mag-grow ka talaga in terms of decision making. Kasi whether you like it or not, guys, we are always tied up from that yung financial capability natin, you know. Pag hindi natin na-grow yung financial capability natin para sa ordinaryong tao, hindi talaga sila maka-move on, maka-pass through that one, di ba? Bakit pag sale, pag Boxing Day, pag ganun, bakit may power tayong bumili? Di ba? Kasi may credit card tayo, mayroon naman tayong ganun, di ba? Bakit pag in-offer business, ayaw, di ba? So, anong masasabi mo more on that one?
Yeah, to be honest, I was skeptical here. That's why it took me 4 years to decide. Because it's hard. Like, being, if you grow up in a maturity part, ang hirap baguhin ng tao. You can never change a person. Okay? You can never change a person until may situation talaga na ipapunch na mag-hit talaga sa kanila. Saan sila matututo. No? Kumbaga, sometimes it's
and we don't need to wait for it, right?
Nasa huli ang pagsisisi. Parang ganun ba? But for
to wait for it.
After 4 years, like, I've been contemplating, I think there was one point that when I was already injured at work, nag-WCB ako, and then we're still struggling, even if, we don't have kids, and I had a miscarriage that time, and parang may 2 kami, 2 trabaho, ni halos hindi kami makapagbiyahe, walang oras, pero parang kapos pa rin. Sabi ko, ano ba talaga? What's going on? So parang we're always left behind. So no matter what we do, no matter what we work, nagwo-work hard kami, nothing happened talaga. So I think that time na-realize ko that I think we needed some change here. We needed to do something because time is running out, no? 5 years from now, it's the same thing. Makikita pa rin namin yung sitwasyon namin na it's the same situation what we are right now. 5-10 years from now, it's going to be the same. If it's not gonna be, maybe way behind, no? So that's why I said, we never had experience. For me personally, I don't have any experience. I was skeptical, but I did my best kasi coming from my husband, siguro may nakikita siya. No, na talagang
fulfillment,
may nakikita siya. So, I'm giving this a chance na sige, i-try natin. So, sa pag-try naman namin, I mean, we learned the system, natutunan namin with the support of the community. So, doon namin. So, ngayon, number 1 believers na, no? 200% na.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Pero
Because, yeah,
not necessarily
nothing changes, right? So
not necessarily na pag against yung isang partner mo, hindi mo na lang alamin, di ba?
Yeah, supportahan.
So,
Yeah.
oo.
That's where I learned. No, I need to support maybe my other half. May natutunan siya na hindi ko nakikita. So, let's give it a chance, no?
Give it a try. Chance.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Ako nakaka-relate ako sa inyo, Daryl and Mina. Kasi yung asawa ko, skeptical siya. So ako yung nagpupush sa kanya. Pero pag nakakatanggap ako ng blessing, pinapakita ko sa kanya. Siya yung nagbubukas. So, para maging maano siya sa akin, ay maano sa business. Kasi siyempre, ang dami niyang nakikitang mga hindi ka nais-nais dito sa social media, di ba? So, parang talagang doubt siya talaga. Pero pag nakikita na yung blessings na kahit na maliit man lang, yun natutuwa. Kaya ngayon, medyo sinusuportahan na niya ako sa ano ko, paggawa ng mga post ko, paggawa ng
Oh, good.
meeting,
Wow.
ganon.
I
Sinusuportahan
know,
nila.
right?
Yeah.
That's priceless,
Yeah,
right?
it is.
So
That's
that's that. Yeah.
mm-mm.
And
Oh,
I know with the online business and then yung job, and you quit your two jobs, right, Nina? One na lang, tama. So
Mhm.
that's another amazing thing
Oh,
na
that's good.
Mm.
yeah. So kaya din I really admire this couple kasi may kita mo talaga sa kanila na they started and they started strong, right? And because of that strong start, unti-unti nilang na-hit yung kanilang mga goals sa buhay, right? So, but even with one work and an online business and life, I know sometimes it gets exhausted, right? So how do you manage that? Work, home, and then online business.
Mm.
You want to answer?
Kung meron bang mga kunyari nagdi-divide and conquer, ikaw muna ngayon, later ako mag-usap, may ganun ba?
Yeah, so when we started this business, of course, pinag-usapan namin. So ngayon, andito na tayo, no? It doesn't mean na talagang marami tayong oras kasi may mga other obligations tayo. So what we do is we have a division of labor here. So when it comes to households, no, ako yung ganito ganyan, nagluluto or naglilinis, while siya naman is nagtitraining sa mga mentees namin, yung ganon. So sometimes what we do is pag may mga yung mga techie na side, no? So, I'm still learning at that time. That's still my weakness, but he's more inclined to that. So, pinapaubaya ko sa kanya. So, dinidivide namin. So, but still, we make it sure na meron pa rin kaming time, no? As a couple. It's not all about the business, no? So, when it comes to household, decision making dito sa bahay, pinag-uusapan pa rin namin na ganito with the posting, when it comes to the posting or running the business. So, ako dito, no, I'm more inclined of connecting with people. I'm more inclined of answering the inquiries, no, sa mga taong interesado. And once they decided, then that's the time siya na yung mag-create, no, ng mga posting
Poster.
doon. So, and then we still have to make it a point na after work, even just an hour a day, we still have to go over with the training. We still make time with the training. Kasi we've seen nakita na namin yung result na in a span of over 2 years, ang dami naming accomplishments. So that's why we are now treating the business as a business. So dati sometimes kasi hindi mo maiwasan na yung business, it's okay lang kasi may full-time naman ako. Parang nagiging hobby na lang. So, parang pagdating doon na sa business, wala ka ng motivation, wala ka ng energy kasi you have another job na parang it's okay. I still have job if this business doesn't work. But for me, it's just a matter of prioritizing na talagang kung gugustuhin mo, may oras ka talaga. So instead, we have to sacrifices nung nag-start kami ng business. We didn't go out. We didn't watch TV. So we just, focus lang sa business. So, and now we would say no to others na nag-i-invite sa amin na lumalabas. So, pina-prioritize namin kung ano talaga yung priority namin dito.
Manage.
Manage talaga.
Yeah.
Management, yeah.
And then start your morning, find that like energy within the day because we've been working mornings. So that's where all the energy comes from us because some people might work evenings or night when you find this live. So we really believe on abundance and mindsets. We are fan of doing YouTube,
Learning.
following some
Learning from others.
yeah, because they have a purpose that's why they are there, and then it you can really feel it yourself, diba? So you could never go wrong if you wake up one day and like you're empty, and then that's the time that you are like open to accept more in positive energy, right? And then gratitude is very powerful, guys. So be thankful for everything. So you could nandun talaga yung yung hindi talaga nagkamali yung mga yung mga famous na motivational speakers, mga famous na writer na naiiba talaga yung ano mo, yung perspective mo pag nagpasalamat sa maliliit na bagay, di ba?
Mm-mm.
Kasi nandun yung contentment kasi.
Mm-mm.
Nandun yung contentment mo eh. So, kaya, yun, every time we like, we don't know, yung kailangan mo ng support.
Mm-mm.
So, that's why this program has like allocated mentor, right?
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
gonna mentor you.
mentoring coaches.
And then,
Mentoring coaches.
it's
The
gonna
whole
carry you.
community. Yeah, oh my goodness. Ang dami naming nakukuha and napapasarap ang usapan. That's why we might not be able to ask other questions. I'm gonna leave one
Yeah.
questions for each, one for Amy and one for Teresa. Guys, if you want to ask your question, Teresa, Amy, and then
So,
maybe we'll wrap it up.
question, yeah. Kasi yung ano, 'di ba, nag-umpisa tayo sa zero, nag-umpisa tayo sa what do business, ano yung ginawa sa inyo ng business? How do this business change your life? Ganun.
Wow.
Yeah, that's
I love
a great
that. I love that question.
Mm.
This business transformed us 360, especially for me personally. I am not a tech savvy. I'm not a social media person. I'm kind of an introvert. I live in an autopilot life. I don't have any experience in business, nothing.
Yeah.
Okay. But then my decision, it's probably that circumstances na na-experience ko na yung mga pains, mga frustrations, yun yung nagmo-mold sa akin. Okay?
Mm.
For me personally, although, financially, that's why we started this business. But for me personally, yung the business that make me as to who I am now, that I am more on parang at home na ako. I was lost, no? I was really lost. Yung faith ko, yung belief ko sa sarili, yung courage ko, wala. But since I started this business, everything, yung perspective ko sa life, nag-iba na. I am more a people person now, or in fact, before I am not. So, I never stopped
Bahay lang.
learning from them. I'd love to help. I love to share other people's, no? Parang gusto ko na ng more para sa sarili ko, na yung confidence ko na be built, yung courage ko, and most of all, so on the business side is yung naiwan ko na yung mga part-time jobs ko, and then unti-unti nababayaran na namin yung mga consumer debts namin. And then aside from that, yung time namin
yung time.
talagang mag-asawa, yung time namin sa family namin, nakakapagbiyahe na talaga kami kasi yung ask ko lang, kasi our parents are still back home. We work in the healthcare industry, but yung pain nung pagkamatay ng tatay ko, I only allocated 3 weeks of time for my dad. Like, I've been here like for how many years, no? So, parang saan yung doon, saan yung justice na parang if you are going to ask them, like, I don't need money, no? I need you. I need time with you. So, parang at this time, I need to do something. So, especially my mom is by herself back home. So, if that
My
time
mom
will
too.
come, and his mom too, so that's why we want, more time with them for as long as we want. And then, yung energy din namin, no? Our priority right now is our health, our time, and our
Yeah,
energy.
that's more valuable.
Yeah, that's more valuable. And then
Correct.
financially, susunod na lang lahat yan.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So that's the
tama.
price talaga.
Sumunod
Yeah.
talaga.
Mm-mm.
Very,
priceless.
ang laki din ng binago ng business sa akin. The more ko nakikita yung why ko, 'di ba? Because as we get old, we become more wiser, 'di ba? Ako, I'm in my 50s, I admit it. So, person who been in their 50s supposed to be like your wisdom should be more deeper, 'di ba? Should be more like but that's my journey. That's how this business changed me, because nalalaman ko na talaga yung why, di ba? Every time na magtrabaho ako, kinu-question ko talaga, para ano to? Para saan to? Di ba? Di ba? Kasi yung iba autopilot na lang nandun na lang sila Parang andun na lang yung cycle ba na gusto naman nila pero hindi sila makawala. So that's why nandito itong program na ito, nandito ito sinishare namin dahil marami kaming nakita dito na very priceless. So yun, na-open more yung why ko, bakit ano pa bang gagawin ko, bakit ko pa gagawin to, di ba? So
Yeah.
at saka marami tayong gustong gawin aside from nandun tayo sa trabaho, di ba? Ako ang dami akong gustong gawin, gusto kong maglaro, ang asawa ko gustong mag-travel, di ba? Kaya mag-build tayo ng business na madadala na automate
Yeah.
natin. So yun,
Nagagawa yung ano.
ang galing talaga ng business nito.
Very
Thank you for sharing, very, very powerful words from Daryl and Mina. I hope we have more time for more questions, but we promised them maximum 30 minutes. We want to respect their time as well, right? So if you resonated with Daryl and Mina, connect with them. You can see all of our website here in the screen. If you resonated with Amy, with Teresa, or myself, you can ask us questions about the business. This is an online business. The main company started in 2016, right?
Mhm.
So it has been around for online business to be around since 2016 through pandemic. You can tell a lot of things, right? Just based on those years. So for my takeaways, there are a lot, but these are the few things that I got from Daryl and Mina, that you really have, if you are dreaming things for yourself, you really have to get out of your comfort zone, get out of the routine, and do do the work for yourself and for your dreams. Otherwise, it's just gonna be a dream, right? You have to plan outside of your daily routine to get the dream, right? And as couples, they're delegating, they're conversing, right? Although they have different pananaw on things, but the goal at the end of the day is the same, right? And as you go along the journey, not just through time and age, but as you go along the journey, the training, nagbabago yung why mo, right? So when you're young, you're watching this and you're in your 20s, I know your goals in your career is to gain experience and skills, but you're not gonna be 20 forever, right? And we're not gonna be young forever. So take it
Yes.
from us who are past 20 years old. Your goals will change through life, right? So Amy, Teresa, do you have any other things that you want to add?
Thank you so much, Daryl and Mina, for having with us today, and thank you as well for all the viewers and for watching replay. If you resonate with us, just feel free to message myself or the our friends or a business partner on screen today. Thank you.
Teresa?
Yeah. Thank you, Mina and Daryl, for the pag-yes na invitation. And guys, yung mga nanonood natin, kung gusto nyong i-check out this business, kung gusto nyong malaman kung anong nasa loob nito, just check our page, check our website para malaman nyo kung ano tong nasa loob na to. O baka ito na yung hinahanap nyo or naghahanap kayo ng side hustle, baka ito na yon. Ito na yung pinagpipray nyo. So, yun, check it out, guys.
Thank you very much again, Daryl, Mina. Thank you for your
You're
time.
welcome. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Have a good day.